This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doug Gibeon. Spacious 4/2 located on a lovely corner cul-de-sac lot. Nicely updated throughout with all tile floors, split floor plan, kitchen with cherry wood and amp, granite, brand new oven, brand new dishwasher and amp, nearly new micro, and amp, an inside utility room. Windows, French doors and amp, 3 exit doors are hurricane safe. Hookup for generator also. Wonderful pool/patio with a private fenced backyard and amp, child safe pool fence. Exterior of the home has been recently painted and the interior was just painted. There will be nothing for buyers to do but to move in. The home is located in a great subdivision with easy access to the Sawgrass Expressway and only blocks to all 3 schools and amp, the regional park which includes the aquatic center, tennis center, ice rink, nature center and amp, dog park. See it now. For more information, review the details below or contact Doug Gibeon at 954-369-0271.